Hey everyone, this is Hannah with the Greenshades software tax team. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 15 tips and tricks for your year-end filing. Tip number 7. Make sure you have properly completed W-9 forms for each vendor. This will help you to determine the correct level of withholding for payments to your vendors and contractors. If you are unable to get a correct taxpayer identification number or employer identification number, you should utilize backup withholding at the standard rate for the tax year, and then report the withheld tax on Form 1099 that you issue to your vendor and file with the government.